Hello, it's me, Sable Dual Gaming here, and for this video, I plan to extend this video a bit. It's going to be around 20 minutes, like the first episode, or that's what I'm pretty sure it's going to be around 20 minutes, using my timer stuff. So, I want it to be a little bit longer because, I'm gonna do some. I'm not gonna do any exploring or anything in this episode. I'm gonna dedicate this episode to crafting and building. I just wanted to get it out of the way and do it all in one episode by just doing the house building in front of you and stuff. Right now I don't have much wood at all to make the stuff. So what I don't have enough wood to make the house any larger, so in a second I am going to like go and chop down some trees, but in this time I'm going to pause the camera, which means I'll be doing it, but off video, and then I'll resume it when I'm done, so you don't have to sit there through me chopping trees. So here we go. I'm gonna pause it now. I'm back, and I just chopped down a bunch of trees, and see, look, there was a bunch of there was like a forest to the right practically, and I just trimmed out a lot of it. See, this entire spot used to be full of trees, and I cleared them out. I think I do go out. I think I will again, and probably in this episode. So, because I'm making it longer so I can have a lot of stuff. So the first thing I want to do for my house is add the second floor. Now, I usually make my house like a tower or blocky or bland, so I want to jazz things up a bit. I am going to make my house a different style. It's going to be more like a realistic look, I guess. I don't know. But right now, I just gotta work on the second floor. So, I envision, putting these, making it even and putting down these ropes so that, I could, climb up on each side. And it's like a little balcony to shoot my staff off of for protection. It's gonna look like some sort of fortress, during the blood moons or whatever. And I just gotta make this little post on the rope for detail. And I gotta see, yes, doors. And platforms. No one can forget them. I'm gonna make this multiple stories and protect the guide. And by this episode, I want to get a few NPCs and a bedroom. That's where I'm gonna stop this video at, because I feel like that'll be enough for this episode or for the playthrough, and I don't want to split it up into multiple episodes like I said, because that'd just be too long for the viewer. So I'll just sit through this one episode and it'll be good. Gotta make these wood walls. Yeah. I'm gonna place down these wood walls. But again, I might be quiet in this video a few times maybe, because this me just building is pretty boring. and I might get quiet because there's nothing to talk about, but I want to try not to be as quiet as possible, so my audio is that's what you listen for in a commentary. Well, I think I'm going to pause it soon. Nah, I'm not. I have enough wood to continue, and I gotta make some other things. So you gotta place down these torches. The NPCs I know that for a fact will spawn are the merchant and the demolitionist, because I do have grenades, and I think you get the merchant by like getting a few gold, and I have 5 gold, I think. So yeah, we're going to get the merchant, because I think that's, in every occasion, merchant always comes first for some reason. Even if you unlock the different NPC first, but then if you done the, I think if you do 2 things to unlock 2 like NPCs, like if you've done enough to unlock a merchant, an NPC, a merchant, a demolitionist, a dryad, all of that, but haven't placed a table, I'm pretty sure if you place a table, the first one in order is always going to be the merchant to spawn. But I think that because that's the only thing I see. Like, I could make jester arrows if I gave a fuck, but I don't have a bow, and it's a waste of mana. I mean, fallen stars, which could be used for mana. Me, a wizard. Yeah. And now I'm glad I can sell my deadly copper sword, because I don't need it. The broadsword is stronger, and it has a swing, so I can kill those pesky demon eyes, and my staff will kill them as well, because it's ranged and it's pretty powerful. I'm just gonna check the value of things. I might sell things. I don't know. Oh yes, making a second floor through the ground, because I want to make it kind of atmospherical. In a way, I'm going to make the demolitionist under my house in a basement kind of room. If I had like brick, I probably would make it out of brick, but I don't feel like doing that. So I'm just gonna be making my base level for the demolitionist. Wooden hammer is what I need to cut through the walls. So I'm gonna, for people who are new to Terraria, and if you haven't noticed how I did the first one, if you want an audio step, the way you make a room suitable for a NPC is you make an area, a room surrounded by a block man-made, like wood or brick and stuff like that, with walls, and have it be big enough space, and have torches and a table or workbench. I think I'm going to do this at a workbench, and torches to do anything. But if you if you don't remember if you can't remember, or if you want to know if it's suitable or not, the house, just go open the menu and then go to friggin' the house button and click on the mystery mark, and then you'll be getting a you'll be getting the mystery mark as a cursor, and then you click on the space that you think will it be a suitable room, and then it'll say it's not suitable, or it is suitable. On the Xbox, you do all the same steps, but instead of the cursor with the mystery mark, I think you have to stay in the room and press X while in the NPC menu. I think it's X. I don't remember, because I haven't used that setting in Xbox in a while. So I'm pretty successful in that game. I have all my NPCs. This may not be big enough, I don't think. Yeah, it may not be big enough, but I'm gonna check anyways. It's not. It's too small. So, whoa, what the frick? I can mine and question what? I don't do this option much. Is this a glitch? What's happening? How come I can't go back to mining? What do I know? What do I know? What do I do? Oh no. I'm stuck. I can mine again. What? But it's not working. Oh, I right click. Okay, there we go. I'm so stupid. You gotta disable it by right clicking. Oh yeah. That's a really important step. Otherwise, you won't be able to return to normal lives if you don't do that. Right click while you have the cursor as a mystery mark to end the mystery mark thingy. I'm going to make everything pretty. So you place the chair and the wood walls and the torch. That squirrel over there looks pretty creepy. House is suitable now, yay! And then we'll wait for the demolitionist, because I think that's the only other NPC I can unlock right now. Because I haven't gotten a life crystal and I haven't gotten a bullet yet. So the nurse or arms dealer aren't coming. I wonder if a traveling merchant will come. I don't know if there's a specific task you have to do to make them come, like the other NPCs, but he sure is cool. Well, I'm glad that squirrel died from the slime. I'm very glad for the. Let me see if this will work. I don't think it is. I was just making some fancy schmancy design thing, but it didn't work. So I'm gonna continue back to normal. If you think this video's gone on for a while, you don't even know, because it's gonna go on longer. I still got to make some stuff and place it down and make a bedroom, in fact. And I want it to look unique. So I'm gonna. Holy crap, killing the slime. Protecting the guide is the #1 priority. No, it's probably not, but I don't know. Well, I can make a lot of stuff. I don't know what I can make right now, though, or that's useful to me. I'm probably going to make another video in which I do so, because I have to do it at one point, and I'm doing a Let's Play, so there's no chance I can mess that up. So, what can I buy? I want to buy the mining helmet, but it's too expensive. I guess I'm going to get a piggy bank. Yeah. Big bank. And I'm going to place it in here. No, it's too big. Won't fit in there. I know it's 2 blocks, I think. I'm gonna place it right there. It's probably just gonna be a placeholder spot for now, because I think I'm gonna want to have it in my bedroom, which I'm gonna be making right now. And well, I'm gonna be making it soon. The demolition just arrived, and I want to check him out and get nothing important. You know, in Terraria, I barely see anyone griefing, ever. Like, I don't. Like, I've only been griefed in Terraria once entirely, and I've been griefed in Minecraft quite a bit, actually. I just gotta store a bunch of stuff in my chest. It's weird how people have the natural urge to not grief in Terraria as much. I guess, I don't know. I am gonna, after I make this, I think, I'm gonna go ahead and pause it after I place, because I'm going to chop down some more trees. And I think I'm going to build my room, my bedroom, also while it's paused, so you don't have to look at too much. I don't want it to be way too long, so I want to make it a little bit fancy, so it saves a lot of time. I'm going to pause it right in a second. Okay. I'm going to pause it. Okay, I'm back, and this house is fancy now. I did a whole crap load to it. You were gone, I guess, and look, the merchant's stuck there. Looks like a mushroom. Just noticed that, or a penis. Well, let's be mature here. It's a mushroom. A shiitake shroom. The ones that people love to eat and put in their mouth. The one that isn't inappropriate. I want to put a firefly in a bottle on that shelf right there because, you know, it looks cooler. What? I don't think I can put it on the thing. Oh, what can I put it on? I don't know. It says it can be placed. Oh well. I'm gonna go get another bottle to place on the thing because I want something to be placed there. I don't want it to be just an empty spot. And hey, there was just a small sec of recording lag. It fixed itself, but it didn't happen at all. Like last few episodes, actually. Where do I place this? Oh, it's a ceiling thing. Yeah, you should be able. It should be able to be placed normally on the ground, but then, I mean, like on the table, but then be able to be placed on a ceiling with one chain, like just one. And that would allow it to be placed on the ceiling like that. Well, now I'm going to move my piggy bank to my room because it's better there and it makes more sense. People usually have their piggy banks in their room. Now, I do know there's a few crafting recipes that involve a bottle on a bench, so fulfilling that urge right there. And a mana crystal. We are getting it done really quickly. Or at least it's pretty quick for me. And I gotta clear out my space, you know? So I'm putting a bunch of stuff away that I don't really care for. Holy crap. This episode's already like 19 minutes and 55 seconds. Wow. Time sure flies by. And I'd expect it to be shorter for the time that I didn't have it paused. For the time I did have it paused, it felt like it'd be multiple hours. Well, I wouldn't say that. I would just say like another 30 minutes. And I know you don't want to sit through an hour. But it is getting, like, it is 20 minutes now, and it's veering past it, so I'm not going to hold you up too much. I'm going to put everything back, do some organization. I built my bedroom. I'm just going to end it right here. This has been Sable Duo Gaming here. This is episode 4. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode. And, yeah, like, comment, subscribe. See you soon.